life I've barely spoken. Your words have been so broken. I've been under your hypnosis. Why did I sip that potion? I'm so done with holy ghosting. My birth, it is an omen. Lay me down up.
The hurricane just came through, ladies and gentlemen, and Sean, I don't know if that's really the move. Those are just power lines. There was a cop that just left there. There might be another one down yonder. This is not the move. Oh boy. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious. We're back in business. This man's right here, son. This is what happens when a hurricane comes. Gosh dang it.
That's wild. That's a tree on the house.
You want to know the really wild part about that? Right here is where we burned down the trooper.
Actually, yeah, right there. Right there.
Oh my gosh, that's wild. Wow. Look right there, folks. That's a power line. Oh, Keaton, look at your house. Have you been there?
Yeah, I woke up there. Did you wake up with a tree?
Yeah, it was sleeping right next to me.
What the world? This is tragic.
Yo, this is insane. Bro.
Dude, this is wild.
That is crazy. I wonder. Wow. It smells like fresh wood. Bush completely uprooted the tree.
Literally comes back to his house and there's a tree on top of it.
Bro, it was so funny because I asked if you woke up with a tree and you said yes, but I didn't believe you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to Dallas. All right, 1, 2, 3.
A mustard.
It's 12:53 and we want to ride these here scooters for the video that y'all are about to see, but we're gonna have to wait until the morning. So we're just riding skateboards until Keaton hit a kickflip or something.
Hey, do a kickflip. Oh, yes.
Until tomorrow, we're gonna be just bulling on the skateboards until that happens. But we finally got to Dallas to get away from the Hurricane Laura, which was a little rough. It put a tree on Keaton's house, but I mean, hey, we're out of town now. We don't have to worry about anything and we have power, which is kind of great. You get to see the nice lights of Dallas in a tree and some cars. Whereas Louisiana, all we got to see was some cars. All right, so we're in Dallas for the night. It's Thursday, and we're gonna go ahead and get into some activities that might be fun. We are at the Bank of America Plaza, and we decided the best decision is to get bird scooters and ride them around at 4 a.m. because we haven't been to sleep, and there's a hurricane in our hometown, so ride scooters in the middle of downtown Dallas when no one's here. So we're gonna hop on one of these bad boys right here and see what havoc we can cause between all of the dudes. I've never even done this before.
Spotlight.
Yeah! Oh my gosh! Ooh. Pro charged! I heard it! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so all of us just pulled up to a thrift store and we have a little challenge. We're gonna take $20 and we're gonna pick out of a hat. We're gonna pick names and we're gonna see who gets to dress who for $20 at the thrift store. And $20 can get you pretty far at a thrift store, so we're gonna see what kind of style we can give each other. And we gotta get some names kind of picked. Sean's gonna write it down on something. And we're gonna do random picks with Kayla, me, Keaton, and Sean, and we're gonna see who has to dress who ends up looking like what. And then honestly, in the end, we're gonna ride them bird scooters around through downtown Dallas.
Sounds like a plan to me. I'm about to write y'all's names down right here in these pieces of paper. If you draw your own name, just put it back in the hat.
I got Keaton again. I got Keaton. Okay, so we picked twice and I ended up getting Keaton again. We got mixed up over the first one because we're all stupid. I have to dress Keaton. Who are you dressing? You're dressing me. You're dressing
Mellow.
Mellow, and you're dressing Sean. So we're gonna see what $20 can get us and how far it can get us in the thrift store, and if we can pip each other out. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. All right, guys. So I had to get Keaton some clothes, so I'll go ahead and start it off. Gonna be wearing the Puerto Rico shirt. Represent Puerto Rico. Yo, represent Puerto Rico. Honestly, I was thinking cool. You're gonna be nice and cool in this, riding the scooters. And I mean, obviously, what matches better than blue and red? A wrong color of blue and red. So you got the best Puerto Rican combo, and honestly, you're finna get the females. All right, so Sean, what'd you get for Caleb?
I got you these 5 shorts, you know. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Hawaiian flowers. Look, they're kind of short too, so they feel nice.
How much did y'all spend too? I only spent $11.
I spent $7.35.
Damn. Yeah, I called it out for you, Keaton.
Are you ready?
It says El Horno.
El Horno.
Alright, there.
El Horno.
So Caleb finna be the El Horno today.
Alright, Poe. So for Poe,
Let's see what the man packed.
yeah, so we got this nice shirt that says "Face is loaded." It says "Face is loaded" on the back. It says Tinkerbell 23. Wait, hold on. Here's your shorts, bro. Oh,
This man really did it to me. This man really did it to me, my dude.
So we got.
Oh,
we got,
boy.
We got the Tinker
I'm dressed in all black though.
with the shorts. Yeah, but look, you gonna have the nicest breeze through here. I promise.
The best breeze. These things got nothing to them.
Oh, Lord.
All right, Sean.
Alright, I don't know what this is.
So I got you with that 2008 float. You know what I'm saying? Let's start with the shorts, right? So we got these red gym shorts.
Oh my
We're about to go to basketball practice.
Oh,
in
that's some
these,
starters.
you know what I'm
Yes,
saying?
sir.
Take those. There you go. There you go. And then we have this stylish T-shirt.
Man, that
Wait,
is the
wait,
most
wait,
cringy thing.
Wait. Yeah, 2008 float. That's what I'm saying.
That's not
Hey,
even 2008.
In 2008, you would have been definitely in style.
Bro, in 2008,
Yeah, bro.
I was most definitely wearing basketball shorts and collared shirts.
Maybe it was because in 2008 we were kids, but
Wait, there's more. There's more. You ready? To complete the drip,
Oh god.
you got the socks. Boy.
yo, those are actually clean. I like those.
Thank you. I saw them in the counter.
Watch, I
Sean,
just
you finna
know
look
in
really
the future
fly in
we're
them
gonna actually
things.
see Sean wearing these socks around, bro.
Watch me. I'm about to look so fresh riding my scooter.
El Horno.
El Horno, Puerto Rico, El Horno, and Tinkerbell. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Well, we're gonna go ahead and change, slap on some of these clothes, and mob Dallas.
Oh my god.
Honestly, you don't look bad.
I feel like I'm dribbling in this.
You don't look bad, bro. When everyone thought I would have the worst style, I end up in this, bro. A rapper designed my clothes right now, and I ended up like this. They're just so small. I got underwear hanging down, bro. All right, guys, so we're in Dallas, and we all have our clothes on, and we all have scooters. So I think it's time for us to pool.
Bro, y'all gotta feel how it feels down there. It's so cold.
It's cold? Oh my gosh. What? It's freezing in here. Can this thing make it up? Oh, we got this. All right, we're gonna get into some freaking trouble, guys.
She said I wanna live faster, faster. And it's getting on my last nerve. First off, she just gotta have the last word. And that bitch knows all of my passwords. She let 100K followers gas her. And now there's only one way to attract her. And that's Hollywood actors, Hollywood rappers, NBA.
Alright, so I don't know what all you guys know about what's going on, but we just pulled up to the shop, unlocking the gate right now. We came to see if it has power because none of our houses have power, and you know, the only option right now is to vibe in the dark. So we're trying to find something else to do. Hopefully the shop has power, AC, and we can just vibe it.
Popping.
Brand new whip just hopped in.
So, by the way, the AC in this thing is blowing freaking cold, which is great because our houses are 90 degrees right now, and it's nighttime, which means that they've cooled off a little bit. It's still 90 degrees. And we're gonna go inside the shop real quick and see if we got power here, because if we do, then we're probably gonna stay at the shop where there's some AC instead of at the house where there's no AC for probably 3 more days. Let's go ahead and see if this place got some power, and if not, then the truck's really just gonna be the freaking unit, and it's gonna be giving us power and charging our phones for the next few days. So let's go ahead and check it out.
Yo, yo, yo. Oh, nothing.
It's really not that hot in here.
I'm gonna shut the door. Just.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, no, that's definitely normal. That's normal.
Dude, it does that at our house too. It's literally the same doorknob.
Yeah, bro, they're cheap.
All right, if you ever see these, don't buy them. They just break.
All right, so there's no power in here, of course, obviously, but we got Caleb's car. I'm gonna have to wait until daylight to come back out here. Dang, I was really wanting to do some work, but honestly, I'm not gonna be able to do anything with no power because that's just no bueno. So daylight it is. I guess we're gonna wait until work on that until daylight. And where are we staying tonight, dog?
You know, I guess we're finna sleep and sweat at the same time.
Facts, bro.
Just-
I'm gonna just be dripping, bro. I'm not even gonna sleep on my bed, so I don't have to be dripping that much.
Just gonna chill in the dark and go caveman mode.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's hot inside my house, and obviously the hurricane just happened, and we went to Dallas to get away, and hopefully the power came back, but nope, it's not back, and we still aren't gonna have it for another like 2 or 3 days. It ain't too hot in here, but it is 83. You can see. There we go. Yeah, it's 83. So it's a little hot, but last night I literally stayed in my bed with no AC, all the heat, and it was about 80 degrees the whole night, which honestly ain't too bad. So we're fine, but the phone overheating. So it's too hot for the phone, but it's not too hot for the Poeboy. So slept here last night, and I guess we got a few more nights of this. So if you're wondering why the video is maybe a little little bit late. It's probably because we don't have any power and there's nothing to do. The shop's out of power, I'm out of power, and realistically, I'm just trying to stay alive because my phone's too hot, it's overheating, but I'm good. So I guess we'll just move on to the next activity. Hey, we got power back. We finally did get power back at the house. It was only just 2 nights of sleeping in the heat and all the hot and sweaty, which wasn't really that bad. Realistically, people did that back in the days before there was AC. People do it now when there's no AC even out of the US. But either way, I wanted to say thank you very much for watching this video. Obviously, a hurricane came through our town, so we couldn't really get much work done on the car, so might as well film what we did happen through the length of time. We have some other videos coming out that I can't quite post yet, but as soon as I can, I will go ahead and post it for y'all. Go ahead and get ready for a lot of stuff because in the next few months, we have a lot of big stuff coming out. You're gonna wanna press the subscribe button to go see what's going on with that. And I wanted to say thank you very much for getting to this point. If you've gotten to this point in the video, thank you very much for watching. Have a great one. Remember to freaking send it. Be great.